Hey guys! Welcome back to another episode of LyndzyTIME! So today guys, yes, as you can see, yung buhok ko, nagpagupit po ako. Ayan, bagay ko ba? So it's been a long time and I've been thinking about it kung gugupitan ko ba or hindi. Kasi last August, I tried to have my rebond. Pero it turned out na sabog and very dry yung hair ko. So after nun, I lost my confidence kasi every time that I'll take a picture, ang hirap i-angle kasi napaka-dry ng buhok ko. So yun, and I'm so happy that it's already 2018 and I moved on, I cut my hair, so it's a new look. And speaking of hair, gusto ko lagyan ng highlights tong buhok ko and I'm trying my do-it-yourself highlights. So I hope makayan ako. And I have this Loreal highlights set. This kit was given to me by my fiance's mom. So thank you so much for this one. Ngayon ko palang gagamitin. So I don't know if I can do it myself. But I'll try my best para gawin. So let's see what's inside. It includes highlighting cup and 2 hooks. So I think there's more inside kasi nabuksan ko na. So I'll show you guys. So first is this cup. So, dito, may mga butas-butas yan as a guide. I'll show you later kung paano siya gamitin. And then, we also have 2 gloves. Ayan, dalawa yan, guys. Ayan. And then, we also have these sachets. Ano ba to? We have conditioning shampoo. Okay, medyo maingay kasi nandito ako sa labas. Ano ba yung mga manok? Oh my gosh! And then we also have this lighting powder. We have 2. And also this cream developer. Also have this frosting protective cream. And lastly, the 2 hooks. It also has the inserts. Kung hindi mo alam yung directions, you can read the inserts. Okay, so let's start. Una mong gagawin, of course, ihatiin mo. Saan ba ang hati ko? Yung hati ko is ayan. Grabe, nakakainis yung mga manok. Ingay. Be, maingay, be. Ayan, so you will just put the cup like that. And then, tali mo lang siya. Para hindi gumalaw pag kumukuha ka na ng mga buhok at maset yung buhok mo sa tamang, maset yung buhok mo. Okay. So, ayan. So, ang gagawin mo lang with the use of your hook, kukuha ka lang ng, ang gusto ko dun sa mga malalaking butas, dun ako kukuha. Ayan. You can see. So, this is your hook. Ipapasok mo lang siyang ganyan. And then, there. So, kailangan mong tapusin hanggang dulo. Ayan. Medyo dapat matyaga ka lang dito, be. Kailangan mo lang tiyaga. Actually, medyo mahirap siya sa simula. Ayan. Pero pag nasanay ka na, well, I think kaya mo na yan, guys. Dapat may suklay ka. You can comb your hair every now and then. Sorry, I'm looking down because yung yung salamin ko nandito sa baba. Ayan. So, ganun lang. Okay. Ayun. So, I'll be back later, guys. Tatapusin ko lang to and ipapakita ko mamaya kung ano yung tsura pag natapos na lahat. See you! Ayan, mga moms. So, medyo nakakarami na din ako. Kaya ba? Kaya pa. Go! Ayan. Kasi ako nakapag-prepare. Sana may Q&A to para hindi medyo boring naman itong video na to. Ano ba mga gusto niyo itanong sa akin? And to my To those who are just new to my channel, guys, thank you for visiting my channel. And sana bago kayo umalis, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. And of course, like this video, guys. Ayan, para naman may support ako, di ba? Na guys, natapos ko na siyang butas-butasan. And now we are ready to prepare the solution. Sabi dito sa inserts, okay, so let's read. So sabi dito, thoroughly mix all the lighting powder and all the frosting developer. Daw lahat ng developing cream. Tapos masyadong maliwanag. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba? And then last is itong frosting protective cream. Lang muna natin siya. And lagay natin ito. Just mix it all. Make sure you mix it well. Oh my god, it's my first time na magkaroon na highlights. I hope magiging okay siya. Huwag di-dry pag may highlights. Hindi ko kasi talaga alam. Just trying out myself for a new hairstyle. And sabi dito, for natural hair color, approximate timing. If your hair is medium to dark blonde, 20 to 45 minutes. If you're light brown, 20 to 60 minutes. Medium brown is 40 to 70 minutes. And dark brown is 60 to 70 minutes. So, ganito yung ma-achieve kong look. So, guys. Ayan. Let's see. I'm hoping sakit sa mata. Spread it evenly. Ayan, marami pa dito. Lahat. Okay, so yan na guys. And then we'll just wait after 45 minutes. Okay, I'll be back. And ayun. Hugasan ko na and then I'll be back with the result after 45 minutes. See ya! So there guys, ayan, nakikita na siya. Kakatapos ko lang i-rinse after 1 hour. So ayan na yung effect, no? Hinighlight natin. I'll just wait it until it dries. So papatayin ko lang saglit. I'll be back. Okay, so there you go guys. So ito na po yung buhok ko after ko siyang ma-wash and ma-dry. Ayan. Okay. I'm satisfied, not bad. Pero, na-gets ba? Hindi ko kasi makita kasi gabi na. So I think we'll see. I'll see in the morning kung ano ang effect niya. Pero, pag sarili mo lang na gumagawa nun, okay na din yun, no? I just don't know the price of that kit. So, yeah. Thank you again guys for watching my video, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa channel ko. Until my next one, bye!